Pistachio lovers, this one's for you. Today we're diving into 7 rich pistachio truffle recipes, each easier to make than you might think. Creamy, nutty, and bursting with flavor, these truffles are perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First up, the classic pistachio truffle, a creamy, nutty delight made with white chocolate and roasted pistachios. Step 1. Heat half a cup of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Step 2. Pour the hot cream over 8 ounces of chopped white chocolate. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Step 3. Stir until smooth. Then mix in 1 cup of finely chopped roasted pistachios and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Step 4. Chill this mixture in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Step 5. Once firm, scoop small amounts, roll into balls, and coat with extra chopped pistachios. Next, indulge in dark chocolate pistachio truffles. Perfect for chocolate lovers seeking a rich, sophisticated treat. Step 1. Heat half a cup of heavy cream until just simmering. Step 2. Pour over 8 ounces of dark chocolate and let sit for 5 minutes. Step 3. Stir until smooth, then fold in a 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios. Step 4. Refrigerate for about 2 hours until set. Step 5. Scoop, roll into balls, and dust with cocoa powder. For a tropical twist, try pistachio coconut truffles. The sweet coconut pairs beautifully with crunchy pistachios. Step 1. Mix 8 ounces of melted white chocolate with a 1/4 cup of coconut cream until smooth. Step 2. Fold in half a cup of chopped pistachios and 3/4 of a cup of desiccated coconut. Step 3. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Step 4. Scoop, roll into balls, then roll in the remaining coconut. For a healthy, vibrant treat, these matcha pistachio truffles are a perfect choice. Step 1. Blend 1 cup soaked cashews with 2 tablespoons of matcha powder and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup until smooth. Step 2. Fold in half a cup of chopped pistachios. Step 3. Chill for 30 minutes. Step 4. Roll into bite-sized balls and refrigerate until firm. Bring warmth to your dessert table with spiced pistachio truffles, infused with cinnamon and cardamom. Step 1. Mix ground 1 cup of pistachios, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and ½ teaspoon of cardamom until well combined. Step 2. Chill for 30 minutes. Step 3. Scoop, roll into balls, then coat with graham cracker crumbs. A refreshing twist comes with raspberry pistachio truffles, tart, creamy, and vibrant. Step 1. Warm 1 cup of raspberry puree but don't boil. Step 2. Stir in 8 ounces of chopped white chocolate until melted and smooth. Step 3. Fold in half a cup of chopped pistachios. Step 4. Chill for 2 hours. Step 5. Scoop and roll into balls. Finally, indulge in salted caramel pistachio truffles, a sweet and salty flavor explosion. Step 1. Melt 8 ounces of milk chocolate until smooth. Step 2. Stir in half a cup of caramel sauce. Step 3. Fold in half a cup of chopped pistachios. Step 4. Chill for 1 hour. Step 5. Scoop, roll into balls, and sprinkle with sea salt. Making pistachio truffles at home is fun, easy, and absolutely delicious. Whether you prefer classic, fruity, spiced, or indulgent flavors, these recipes have something for every taste. Be sure to check out this video for more.